Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do an updated curly hair routine specifically for the winter time, and I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I've been trying new methods lately that I've really enjoyed, so I'm gonna show you how I do that. So here is my hair with no refresh. This is my day 5 hair. Yeah, it's ready to get washed. For my wash day, I'm going to be using this shampoo right here. And it's the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash. For my conditioner, I'm going to be using Pattern Beauty's Medium Conditioner for Curlies. And I really like this one too. I've been doing some new techniques since I did my last curly hair routine, and what I do is use some leave-in conditioner, and then I'll start going through my hair with the Denman brush. So I've just dried my hair with a microfiber towel, and now I'm gonna go diffuse. So here are the finished results. I sealed my cuticle in with a little bit of Mongongo Oil by Ouidad. This is what it looks like here. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. It feels really light. I love that the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly is so lightweight. It does not weigh down your hair at all or feel crunchy or hard. So I really like that about that product. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. It's at curly.locks with 2 X's. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.